Hi guys! Good morning and welcome back sa ating new video!
Daddy!
Ayan, kakatapos lang nila mag-breakfast guys.
Daddy!
Si Cameron, he had porridge. And then, Maverick, how are you? Update kay Maverick is totally fine now guys. His plate is go back to normal. And he already eat food as well. I'm cooking ano guys, kanin right now. Huh?
What's for your breakfast?
Kanin.
And what?
And
Fish.
fish. Grabe talaga yung mukha guys.
Same. Graham.
Ang dami kong postpartum hair loss mga Mars. Super duper suffer. Suffer ano grabe. As in talaga. Minsan natatakot na ako magsuklay. And minsan hindi na ako nagsusuklay kasi nga ang dami talagang ano guys. Ang daming mga lalagas na buhok. And then nakita niyo yan. Yung ganyan oh, yung maliliit na ng tubo. Yung parang lawis-wis, ayan oh. Para na nga ako si Tweety Bird. Magsaing tayo para makakain. Ako, pupunta kami ng Robinson later. Soon.
What's mommy doing? Sain? Mommy is sain?
So, antay lang natin yan. And then, hatid ko lang si Millie kay Mamang.
You learning to cook rice?
Para makaluto na ako. Ay, dadalhin pala namin si Millie sa room. So, itali ko lang yung buhok ni Madam. Ay, suklayin na muna. Mamaya ako na itali before kami umalis. Kasi nga, baka mamaya, hindi pa kami nakaalis. Wala na, tanggalan na yung mga ano niya.
I'm gonna get shower quickly.
Hi, good morning! I'm fresh from the bath. Sobrang ano na niya na guys. Sobrang madaldal na siya as in. Kung ano-ano na yung naano sa bungangaan niya. Lumalabas. Pero lagi is da-da-da-da-da-da. Ayan, da-da-da-da-da. Kahit sabihin ko, Mama. Can you say Mama? Mama! Ay, naku. Busy na siya, guys. Hindi na siya. Wag muna natin daw i-istorbuhin. Go to Mama. And, Mommy gonna have a breakfast. Lagi siyang nakapajama, guys, kasi sobrang daming lamok. Lagi ko siyang, nilileggings. Kasi nung dati, sobrang daming ng kagat ng lamok. Minumukbang siya ng lamok. Kaya, ngayon, lagi ko na siyang, pinapajama. Kasi, then, since na pinapajama ko siya, wala na siyang mga kagat ng lamok. Ayan, dito na kami sa bahay ng lola ko. And then, hatid na natin. Okay. Happy na yarn. So, natid na natin kay Mama ang Amelie. And, balikan natin yung sinaing natin. Baka kumukulo na iyon. And, kakain na ako. And, para makapakain ko na rin si Maverick. Ayan, nag-awas na yung aking sinaing, guys. Nakulo na siya. Baka sabihin dapat mag-rice cooker kami. Wala kaming rice cooker. Nasira na yung rice cooker namin. Kaya ito na muna. Kaya ayun na. So, mag-i-edit ako ngayon. Tingnan nyo guys. Yung buhok ko. Oh. Ang dami kong baby bangs na nagsitubo. Ayan oh. Grabe. Postpartum hair loss is real. Ay naku. Mag-edit muna ako. Dito tayo kakain guys. Sa aming terrace na napakaganda ang view na puro bubong. And with my best friend Maverick, baby boy. Ayan, sama-sama din yan dyan. And then my ulam for today is piniritong isda. Kasya po yan sa akin, kaya ko yung pagkasyahin. And then meron tayong atsara dito. And water for breakfast. Kain tayo mga kumarshi. Love! Then, meron tayo ditong atsara, guys, ha. Na papaya. Ay, may sausawan ako ditong toyo. And syempre, hindi makukumpleto ang ating kain kung hindi natin ilalagay yung ating paa sa taas para mas masarap yung kain. So guys, kakatapos ko lang mag, half bath. Hindi ko na binasa yung buhok ko. So, ipaplansya ko lang yung aking buhok. The comb. Yan lang yung atake ng ating buhok mga Mars. When I wave ko lang siya. Para may, ano lang siya, may, kunyari, may design lang siya. Ayan. So, bali ito yung ginamit ko, oh. Itong barrel na ito. Ganyan na yan, ganyan ko lang. Yung sa dulo lang, para mag, ano lang, like fly away lang. Ganon! Guys, alis na kami, and ito lang yung aura natin for today's video. Parang wala namang nagbago.
Ang ganda.
Parang it doesn't seem like there's a changes. It still look the same. Guys, paano tayo makakaalis agad? Yung Millie tulog pa. So, waiting lang kami sa kanya. And then, naalis na rin tayo. Yung Disney princess na tulog. Nag-power nap muna para
Bunny.
yeah, with her favorite bunny. Kahit saan yan, guys. Yan talaga yung pampatulog niya. Waiting lang na magising siya. Good thing na rin na natulog yan para later kapag doon kami sa road, hindi siya magmoriot. Happy mood yan?
You have a nice sleep? Happy, happy.
Kakagising niya lang, guys. Todo smile na siya agad. Skirt. Millie, are you ready to go? We're on the way na, guys, sa Robinson. Kasama ang Disney princess. Mama! Mama! Can you say mama? Always dada na lang. No mama? No mommy? Huh? Always dada? We're finally here. Are you excited? Huh? Excited na siya, guys. Hindi na mapakali. Shush. Shush. Shush.
Let's go.
Yini! Dito na kami, guys. Sa may Robinson. Dito kami sa loob ng Robinson. We're just gonna elevator lang. What the happy yarn? Are you happy, love? Huh? Are you happy? Hello. Good morning. Morning. Can you say good morning and say hi?
Smiling.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Guys, nagutom ang Disney princess. Feed muna natin siya.
Always hungry. It's lunchtime.
Tingnan niyo, wala na yung sapatos, oh. Kaya minsan di ko na pinasasabatusan kasi nga natatanggal din naman.
Well, no, we didn't bring microphone.
Yeah, I forgot.
Stand here.
Sobrang kulit. Kami ngayon guys sa may handyman. Bumili kami ng treats ni Maverick and yung kung anong binili ni Cameron. Ayan. Take it?
Mimi!
Show what we got!
Ice cream car. Wow. You want to drive a car? Millie likes driving a car with me. Dada, dada.
So, ayaw na niyang bitawan kanina, guys. So, we decided to get it because he doesn't want to let it go.
Yeah, she doesn't let it go. She's gonna cry.
Yeah. Yan, mabilis lang naman. It's easy to assemble. Assemble.
Is it though?
Ayan si Pogi. Pogi. Underneath. Underneath. No. Muntik nang ano yung kamay ni Cameron, guys. Matusok. Almost ano. What do you call that, mala? Yan, almost stab yourself. Yan, malapit na niyang diyan ka na naman sa electric pan. Kapal ulo. Hey, almost there! Yay! Wala, happy yarn! Almost there! Yay! Almost there! Really? Almost there! Are you excited? Excited? Are you excited? Almost there, love. Almost there! No? No hitting, love. Not nice. My girl, my boy. Ay, may sasali. May sasali daw. Wow! Look! Maverick! Maverick, where's the cat? Where's the cat? Where is it? Go get it. My kids, my babies, my babies. May nakalimutan na kami. Pasalubong pala tayo kay Maverick. Okay, calm down. Be patient. Come on, Nav. Sit. Sit. Pull. Pull. Give me pull. Another one. Another one. Saglit. Good job. And down. 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 Down first. Down. Good boy. Wait. Wait. Go. Yay! Kay Millie po naman. Come here, Millie. There's a car! Wow! Have a new car! Try na natin, guys. Kay Millie.
Wow!
Wow! Pop, pop! Pop, 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 pop. Ay, naku.
Maverick.
Wee!
Let her do it.
Wee!
You let her walk. Go on.
She's gonna fall.
She's not gonna fall.
Doesn't know how to yet.
She's doing it in the voices.
Wee!
You're gonna feel the bubbles.
Millie, you happy? Wee! Happy siya guys, oh. Wee! Whoa! Wee! Whoa! 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 Can you do it? Whoa! 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 So galing ah! Here, oh.
Still has one more box for that.
What are you gonna say to mommy and daddy? Huh, Millie? Thank you, mom and dad. Super happy ng bata na iyon. Ay, thank you, mommy and daddy. You're welcome, baby. Whoa! Whoa! It's okay. Daddy gonna fix it.
Okay, you change it, I'll fix it.
We need to bring it in the, what do you call that?
Mechanic.
Mechanic.